I'm Melissa from MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to make the arrowhead stitch. For this stitch, we need an equilateral triangle. We'll bring our needle up in the bottom left-hand corner here, and we'll bring our needle back down right to the almost right of the top of the triangle here. So we make this nice straight stitch along the side. Now we'll bring our needle back up just slightly to the left of where we came back down at the top, like so. And then we'll go down in the right side of our triangle here, like so. And now we repeat. We come back up just on the inside of where we made that first stitch on the left, and we go down just on the outside of that straight stitch on the right, finding the outer edge of our triangle. Then we find the left side's outer edge of our triangle, right there. And we bring our needle down just on the inside, the right side of our triangle at the base there. And we'll continue until we fill in the entirety of our triangle here. And we want our stitches nice and close together so they completely cover up our triangle here to create our arrowhead stitch. We don't want to tug too tightly because otherwise we might make our triangle look a little funky. So we want to keep our stitches nice and flush with the fabric. I think we can do one more to even this out. And there we go. There is our arrowhead stitch. Have fun trying this one. And for more embroidery stitch tutorials, be sure to visit mcreativej.com.